Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. Before we jump into today's video, I wanted to go ahead and announce the winner of the Clever Fox Undated Budget Planner. The winner is Hunter and Chloe's mommy. I will have it across the screen as well as the description box. Please be sure to message me and claim your prize by sending an email to chaoticcritic@gmail.com with your full name and address so I can get that giveaway prize out to you. And for all of my other giveaway prize winners that I announced last week, the prizes have been sent out as of today, so be on the lookout for that sometime this week. So congrats again to Hunter and Chloe's mommy. Again, be sure to send me an email to chaoticcritic@gmail.com with your full name and address to claim your prize. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. This week here on my channel, I am sharing all things December Daily. December Daily, if you guys do not know what that is basically you journaling every single day in December. I love the idea and concept of it because it really encompasses the holiday season. There's so many things going on in December, and I wanted to share my take on it. So as far as my prep, I wanted to have everything in one central location, which is what I'm going to be showing you today. In another video, I will be sharing previous December daily attempts that one of them I actually did pretty okay on, and then the other two were, well, one of them was a complete fail, and then the other one is like a Christmas capsule scrapbook kind of thing, which I love to do. And then I will be sharing my December daily setup with you guys. So that is coming this week here on the channel. So be sure to have that notification bell. Be sure to, of course, subscribe. But let's get into today's video, which is my pre-setup. I wanted to share this stuff the week of Thanksgiving because while we are all doing the hustle and bustle of holiday shopping with Black Friday, and also the prep for Thanksgiving, I know that we're gonna have some downtime to do some crafting, and what better way to prep for the new month than now with the long holiday weekend. So this is a container that I got from Walmart, and I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. And I was using this, well, my primary use was going to be for faith planning, but I have a larger container for that, which you guys will see. But this one right here is so compact and I love it, and it's tiered. So let's jump right into it of all the goodies that are inside. So first things first, on this top tier I have all of my seasonal washi tape, and it's a mix of stuff from Target, which are these here, and then I have the rest of them from Michael's. I either got them in like a 2-pack or a 3-pack, and then some of these came from that old seasonal washi tape box, which they ended up tearing those boxes apart, and they had them in like a huge bin at Michael's at one point. And then I have some tags that I want to include. I have a few more that I might throw in here, but that's the gist of it. Then for the second tier, this tier right here, I have die cuts. These are like a harder cardstock, and these are going to be great to add to the different pages. I would definitely use double stick tape for that. Let me actually put some tape that I would use inside of here at the top, just so I have that. And then for the big baby at the bottom, all of this stuff, let me turn the container this way so that you guys can really see. So down here, I have all of these ephemera packs. I also have some paper, but let's start with the ephemera. So So I got all of these from Tuesday Morning, and I will link the video below of how I store all of my ephemera. Also, all of this right here came from Tuesday Morning as well, and these were about $1.99 each, and when I saw them, I bought them all. I spent about $10. I did go a little crazy, but these are actually CD case covers. And what I did was I took the packaging and I put it on the back. I slid it in the cover, and then I used a little Velcro dot to keep it all together, and then I put the pieces of this particular pack on the inside, and that's what I did with all of them. So this is from Carta Bella, and this package contains 33 die cut cardstock pieces. So the mix that I have is kind of like woodsland and then that bright traditional Christmas. So there's this one, which there's the pieces, and then this one is also Carta Bella. I believe all of these are Carta Bella. Some of them. Okay. This one is another Carta Bella one, and this is another one that has 33 pieces. This one here, I'm trying to see which one this is. This is a Winterberry mixed bag. But you can see all those pieces there. This one I'm really excited to use. And then there's this one, which is more of a winter one, another Carta Bella one, and this has 33 pieces as well. Then this one is an Echo Park Paper Co. This one has 33 pieces. This is kind of like that traditional Christmas meets woodsland in a sense. And then this one I don't remember. I don't know what I did with the packaging. I don't know where I got this from, to be honest, but it's in here. And then the last one, this is another Echo Park Paper Co. So these traditionally basically come with 33 pieces. And so that I'm not fumbling through everything, I can see what's inside the pack by saving the packaging. And again, I will link below the whole video that I did on this and setting these up. But these are CD cases, and I'll have the links to these linked below. I got these off of Amazon. So that's that. That's how I plan on embellishing my pages. I also threw in this paper clip that I made quite some time ago, and I think I got this idea by Creative Happiness over on Instagram. But this little 3D sticker was from Hobby Lobby, as well as the paper clip. And then this is the cover that I'm going to be using. This is actually a Dollar Tree chopping mat that I cut down, and these are the arc discs from Staples. Just have a whole bunch of extra discs, and why not make little mini scrapbooks like this, which is so cute. So this is the basis of what I have. I also have, oh, and to flatten this out, I just put the little ephemera there. It'll be flattened out by the time I use it. I also have these stickers here from Hobby Lobby. I love to get stuff when it's like 90% off at Hobby Lobby. And then this is from another one that I had done. I plan on using some of these papers, and even if I don't use them, I can turn them into cards, which is no problem. But now that you guys have seen this, let me show you some of the papers I plan on using. So here are 8.5 by 11 scrapbook paper pads. They're from the Paper Studio at Hobby Lobby. Love this stuff. I believe that I got these for 90% off. I didn't even remember that I had this one. I knew I had this one. They were $12.99 each, so with the 90% off, $3 for each of these, that's a great deal. Another great thing about this size is that if you wanted to do just like a regular binder, or even use the Happy Planner, the large Happy Planner, you could just hole punch this and put it right in and embellish the pages however you'd like. So in thinking of my theme, this first one is Have a Cozy Christmas, and I'm thinking that I want to do plaid. Like, what is a planner for me without plaid? So I'm just going to pull out some of those. So there's this red plaid, this darker plaid here, so I'm probably going to use that. And just to show you guys what else is in here, I also liked this woodsland looking one. I used this last year. So I'm just basically taking the paper out that I like, and I'm folding it in half, and then I'm going to trim it down even further for the size of the planner that I made. But all of this right here, are the ideas of the paper that I want to use. And still looking through here, I don't know if I want to do the green. The birds, not so much. This paper is better for like cards for me, for like winter and stuff. The reindeer, not so much. Debating on this green one. I could actually, I'm going to take a piece of the green one. Oh, there's already one that's ripped out, which is great. And I might do some layering with all three of these just to add a different element to the page. And again, I'll be sharing with you guys the setup of how I plan on creating the pages. Of course, December 1st through December. Some people do December 1st through the 25th. I'm doing all of December, December 1st to the 31st. So that's that. Some days might have something written out. Some days might just have a picture. This kind of paper here, if you guys didn't want to use this, you could actually cut the circles out. Might be a little time consuming, but it's another cute little idea. So this one is Have a Cozy Christmas. If I can find this, I will link it, but I will have a link to what Hobby Lobby has on their site regardless. Then this one is Jingle All the Way, which is so cute. This paper is a part of this paper pad, and what I'm actually doing with this one is adding it to my half letter notebook because I'm doing a very neutral layout in there, and I just love dot paper. Paper Studio is notorious for that. So looking through this one, you have more of those hollies, and I believe you get like 4 pages of each design. This is like super traditional. Christmas, more of that dot paper. This is not really Christmassy to me because of the florals, but I guess with the little berries and stuff. This one I do like, so I'm just going to take a piece of this. And as I'm pre-setting up, I just pull out papers that I like, and then if I use them, great. If I don't, I just tuck them right back in here. As you can see, this one is ripped out. Well, it's coming out, and all I do is just stick it back. Not in the exact spot, but I have enough plaid. This one is super cute, so I'm going to take a piece of this one, and I'm going to fold this one from top to bottom. Well, yeah, I'm folding it top to bottom instead of like this. So that's that. Oh, I love this one. This is super cute. This actually reminds me of my mom. When I was younger, she would go and get her nails done, and she would have all of our names on her nails. Kid you not. That's what she did. And Christmas was just like red, and she had Christmas trees on her nails. So you do have some neutrals. This is no. I probably use this for card making. And then there's this one. I do like this plaid. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm going to go back and get the other plaid. I'm thinking of layering here. So this one, which looks very much like flannel. This print screams flannel to me. And then, oh, I like this one. This one's cute, so I'm going to use that one. The reindeer, not so much. So that is that from the Jingle All the Way. So now all I'm going to do is add my papers into here. And of course, if I need more, then I will come back into the paper pads and take them out. But now it's time to put them back into the container. And I love that this is tiered. All I'm going to do is take my papers and put them right inside of there. And close this baby right back up. This does have a clasp to it. I just don't have it on here right now. It actually came off. So if I can get it back on, great. If not, oh well. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding December daily memory planning and journaling in general, feel free to leave that in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have a related blog post on all things December daily. Plus, I have some memory planning and journaling videos for you guys to check out. And I will have my planning for 2020 series linked as well for those of you still trying to figure out what planner would be the right fit for you in the new year. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed and a part of the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be up to date on my latest posts. Plus, I would like to say and hint at a giveaway coming later this week, so stay tuned for that. For all of you that are subscribed and a part of the Chaotic Critic fam, I thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!